Hello, welcome to my channel. I will have my breakfast. It says, health is wealth. An ounce of prevention is a pound of cure. So, especially for the elderly, my breakfast is like this, or those people who are conscious with their health. Ito po, pag umaga talaga, ang inuuna ko ay mainit na tubig. One cup of hot water, and then I start it with my papaya for my digestion. Kasi minsan, pag elderly ka na, ang removing of your bowel is sometimes problematic. So ito, it will help to avoid constipation. Inuuna ko yan talaga before ako kumain ng ibang bagay. Ngayon ng umaga ko po, kumpleto talaga. Mayroon akong egg. After this papaya, of course, I have kamuti. Kamuti also is fibrous. It will help also to avoid constipation. So, doble yan. Then, I have sorts of leafy vegetables. Ano po? Alam mo po kung ano ito? Ito po ay combination of kangkong, malunggay, saluyot, alugbati, and malunggay. So, 4 to 5 leaves in the morning that I will eat. Then, I have egg. After that, I have this, I have rice, a little of rice, kunti lang, and then I have this shake of mango, and I have this probiotic. Kasi sinasabi, pag maraming klase-klase kang kinakain, marami din ang iyong nutrients and vitamins na makukuha. Mayroon din ako dyan, ginawa ko yung ampalaya, ginawa ko ng atsara. So, I also use that especially if I have inihaw na isda. So, yan po, in my morning. So, I have no problem with my bowel movement. Kasi, noon, nang buhay pang asawa ko, ang ginagawa namin, bumibili kami ng Solfi. And that is 1,400 a box. Imagine if you have to take every day, that is 60 pesos each package. So, dalawa kami, that is 120. So, for 1 month, talaga malaki. So, ang ginagawa, and then, pag yun ang ginagamit, ang iniinom namin, para bang ang intestines mo ay ini-scrape. So, umiinom din kami after that ng Pocari kasi nakakapanghina. But with this fibrous food, natural, wala. Maganda ang bowel movement mo, and then hindi supasakit, hindi ka nang hihina. Maganda ang feeling at hindi magastos ng husto because natural. So, what is natural is the best. Bye!